Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? Today, we're taking a closer look at Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our comprehensive report was initially released on our website on Tuesday, March 12, 2024, and now we're delving even deeper to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of the game and be informed about critical updates that could impact your investment decisions. Optimize your trading strategies by exploring our newly introduced AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI technology and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since February 14, 2024, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate with a score of 2.60. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who heeded our analysis would have seen a remarkable 37.83% increase in value since we recommended Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.99% since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. A break above the top trend line at $41.54 would indicate a stronger upward movement. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 71.3% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 43.93% to 74.72%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 41.61% change over the next year, with a possible return between -4.01% and 43.51%. This translates to a price range of $39.09 to $58.45 after 12 months. Our latest update on Ishares Bitcoin Trust highlights the news that the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF was downgraded after the recent trading session. The price of Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF dropped by -0.95% on the previous day, moving from $41.12 to $40.73 on Tuesday, March 12, 2024. Throughout the day, the ETF saw a 6.58% fluctuation, reaching a low of $39.21 and a high of $41.79. Over the last 10 days, the price has increased in 8 instances, marking a 24.98% rise in the past 2 weeks. Volume surged by 16 million shares on the last day, despite the declining prices, potentially indicating a heightened risk in the upcoming days. A total of 90 million shares were traded, amounting to around $3.65 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the ETF hit a peak of $41.79 and a low of $21.54. Currently, the price sits at 2.54% below the 52-week high, standing at $1.06 lower than the all-time high of $41.79 for the ETF. Ishares Bitcoin Trust signals. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF shows buy signals from short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Support levels are at $38.90 and $29.91, with sell signals if breached. A buy signal is also identified from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals exist, impacting short-term trends. A sell signal was triggered on March 11, 2024, leading to a -0.95% decline. Continued decrease is expected until a new pivot point is established. Watch for volume changes as they provide early warnings for the ETF's movement. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 41 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, by signal 22 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Ishares Bitcoin Trust has a support level at $39.55 based on accumulated volume, presenting a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. This ETF exhibits high volatility, with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, indicating very high risk. In the past day, the ETF saw a $2.58 price range, equivalent to 6.58%. Over the last week, daily average volatility stood at 4.2%. Let's delve into the potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust stands at $41.12. If you are not currently invested, consider waiting for this level to be broken before entering a position. Existing shareholders might find this level suitable for swing trading. On the downside, the first support level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $39.55. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $39.60, representing a decrease of 2.78%. This ETF exhibits significant daily volatility, indicating a high level of risk. A sell signal was triggered by a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are positive short-term signals and a generally good trend, indicating a potential buying opportunity for Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF. However, some technical weaknesses have led us to adjust our rating from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Our system suggests that the current price is overvalued after analyzing recent volatility and movements. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, March 13th, we anticipate Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open down $0.153 and commence trading at $40.58. It's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you are responsible for your own investment actions. Presenting our current perspective on the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors and a wonderful day from the entire team at StockInvest.